Finlab AG is one of the largest incubators and investors in the Fintech sector, financial services technology sector. We are listed on a stock exchange in Frankfurt here. We are in the scale segment. Right now we have 14 employees. And the most important thing is we have a profitable business since 2014. We have invested so far in 10 Fintech portfolio companies. So we are an active investor. We invest between 500K and 5 million in each of our portfolio companies. Usually we coming in seed rounds until Series A rounds. Sometimes we are also participating in Series B rounds, but this only when you are already invested in a Series A round. Beside our investment strategy in the fintech sector, we have a relatively mature asset management business. And this brings a uniqueness in our company or our share, I would say, because an equity story as an investment company is quite easy. We invest in fintech companies, but besides this, we have this mature asset management business. And from these asset management business, we get every year 4 up to 5 million euros in revenues. And costs at Finlab AG are around 2.5 up to 2.8 million. So we cover totally our costs at Finlab AG with our asset management business. And the asset management business contains 3 funds so far. We are the fund manager of the listed Heliad Equity Partners. So we own 100% of the GP. We own 100% of Patriarch Multi-Manager GmbH, which is a fund-of-fund company with assets under management around 300 million. And most recently, we have set up a fund with Block 1, the developer of the EOS blockchain system. And the fund is in size $100 million. And we can use the funds to invest in companies which use the EOS blockchain software. So the combination of this is more or less a hybrid investment company. So we combine the asset management business and the investment business. And this is because we have a flexibility to invest in our investment portfolio, because we don't need to sell the company too early. We can develop the portfolio companies until they are right to sell or to bring it to the market. So because of the asset management business, we are independent from our investment portfolio, and this makes a little bit uniqueness compared to other investment companies. The most recent development was happened, of course, in our largest portfolio company, Deposit Solutions. So in Deposit Solutions, in August this year, we performed a financing round about $100 million. So the valuation after this was around $500 million. So Deposit Solutions is one of our success stories, because in 2015, we invested around 5 million euros at a valuation of 20 million. So now the valuation is around $500 million, so roughly 450 million euros. So, and in this transaction, we performed also a small partial exit. So we have sold some of our shares in Deposit Solution to the new investors. We have gotten 10 million euros as purchase price. So we have doubled the money so far. We have still 8% in Deposit Solutions at a valuation of 350 million euros now. And Deposit Solution is now the number 1 in a fixed term call to call money market, and they have brokered over 10 billion euros now. Yeah, this is also linked to our portfolio company Deposit Solutions. Within the financing round in 2018 in August, Kinnevik and Vitruvian stepped into this company. So they're very well-named investors in the market. So, and moreover, we have also attracted Alan Howard, which is a hedge fund legend from the United Kingdom, from London, and he is invested now in Next Markets. So I would say these 3 investors, I think the most important investors we have onboarded to our investment companies in the last couple of months. Yes, Cashlink is our latest investment. We have invested a 7-figure amount in just 2 weeks ago in October, beginning of November. Cashlink is a company who built a digital investment platform, because we believe in digitization or tokenization of assets. We always said that we think the blockchain technology have a huge impact to the financial sector and also to other industry in the market, but especially in the financial sector. So we definitely believe in companies which using the blockchain technology for their own project and business. And Cashlink is building a digital investment platform which is based on a blockchain technology. So we tokenize assets or digitize assets, and then you can trade over the platform afterwards. That is totally independent from the current cryptocurrency market. So maybe sometimes people mix up the cryptocurrency and the blockchain a little bit. Of course, cryptocurrency, especially the Bitcoin, is based on blockchain, but we believe definitely in a platform, in a technology, in blockchain, but we will not invest directly in cryptocurrencies. That is why we invested in Cashlink, because they offer a unique solution for digitization of assets and then trade afterwards over the blockchain with equity or security tokens. As an active venture capital investor, so we do not provide only the money, we provide also some other things like HR assistance, financial services assistance, legal issues, and so on. So we as an active investor will at the end have maybe 12 up to 13, maybe 14 portfolio companies in the investment business, but not more. So right now we have invested in 10 companies, so there's still room for 3-4 other companies. We have one on our table right now, which we're looking in, so it's more related to the banking business. We definitely right now looking more into B2B businesses than B2C businesses. We think the B2C business is covered in the market so far in the fintech sector, but for B2B businesses there's still room to invest. So what we see in the next couple of months is definitely investments in the B2B sector, maybe one, maybe two in 2019, but definitely not more than 13, 14 portfolio holdings at the same time, at the same level, because as an active investor we cannot work with them on a daily basis when you have 20 or 25 companies in a sector. And because of our active strategy, we usually have 20% or more when we step in these companies.